This is the Google Pixel 10. This has been out for a little bit, but you know, it's about time I try this one out. I love the new design, and of course I picked blue because it's my son's favorite color. I like that phone companies are now using these type of boxes. They feel a little bit different than what the old one used to be. They feel like a recycled material, which I always appreciate. The manual, here's the phone, the cable. I really enjoyed that the phone looks like this. You no longer need a physical SIM. Yeah, because that SIM card stuff is getting kind of old school. Wow. Whoa, this blue is actually really nice in person. Yo, this phone is actually really nice. I always love Google Pixel phones, and this isn't even a Pro version. I wonder if the Pro version is a little bit heavier. While the phone is loading up, I might as well talk to you about the specs. The phone weighs about 207 grams. This is the indigo color. I think it's like a really, really beautiful color. This indigo is actually super nice. I was thinking about getting a black one, but this blue one, it's amazing. The screen now is a 6.3 inch display, and it has 120 hertz. 120 hertz makes the phone feel buttery smooth. I went back to using an old iPhone 13, and that phone has 60 hertz, I believe, and it feels laggy. Like you can see the jitter. I mean, for nowadays, it's not that great of a phone. I'm pretty sure back then, of course, it was the best iPhone ever made. But now in 2026, it's actually not that good. The screen has 3000 nits of brightness. That means you can just go outside. It's so bright, you can just go outside, use your phone, and you'll probably still see the vibrant color, the pop. It won't feel like you need to turn up the brightness anymore. Google uses their own chips, the Tensor G5. I wish I knew more about the chips. I just know that, of course, every year they're using a faster chip. The numbering system just probably means it's faster. I don't know too much about the benchmark, and I'm not that channel to talk about that. I'm just here to give you the real impression. Something what us normal people would do. It has 12 gigabyte of RAM. I used to remember having a phone with like 6 gigabyte of RAM, maybe even 4 gigabyte of RAM. Now it's 12 gigabyte of RAM. Phones nowadays are getting so fast. I opt in only for 128 gigabyte of storage because I think that's all you need, especially with all the cloud storage nowadays. 128 is perfect. I'm gonna be using this phone all day, so the 5000 milliamp battery, I hope it will last all day. Google promises 7 years of updates. That means this phone is gonna be good for you for 7 years. You don't have to buy a new one. You don't need to buy a new one because the phone is really good already. I can't see what else they can do that makes it even better. Maybe a better camera. I was supposed to unbox that last night and use it to record my video. I ran out of time. Had a family gathering to get to, and it just never, I came home too late and it just ran out of time. I just did a review these clippers on my other channel. Right now, I want to take some product shots of it with the new phone. I figured on a barber chair would be the best look. There's also a add me feature. I gotta move away from the light. Hold on. There. There's also an add me feature. This feature is like one of those where you have to add the app, but you take a picture of your group and then your group would run behind and they would take a picture of you and you would be added to that group. So then you don't have to ask other people to take a picture of for you. Pretty cool feature. Can't think of a time I really need it personally, but it is a cool feature. There's cool stuff like action plan and long exposure. Those two things right there, the long exposure is like when you want to take a picture of a train so you can capture it trailing and moving. The action plan is you follow like a cyclist riding, so then the background becomes blurry and the cyclist is still. That's cool that this phone has those things set in, so you don't have to worry about doing that or setting the right settings with your camera. I need my cup of coffee, and it's not something like I'm addicted to. I like it. It gets my energy up, especially when I work with clients and I see a lot of clients. A cup of coffee helps me run at a level to meet my business. If you don't already know, I own a barbershop. There's a YouTube channel all on what I do, and it's called Cut with Andy. I'll leave the subscription here if you guys want to check that channel out. Follow that if you're interested in like cutting your kids' hair, cutting your family members' hair, or even just doing home cuts, or even if you're new in barbering and want to understand terminology for your hair. That's the channel you want to check out. But I hate how my hair looks right now. Every time I wash my hair here and nobody's doing it for me, my shirt always gets wet. And then the rest of the video, I have like a wet shirt. If you ever notice things like this, it's because I probably just did my hair. All right, the color is beautiful, the spec is amazing. Testing out the camera has been so good. It makes me really miss how good a Google Pixel camera is. I shot a couple haircut pictures and it looks great. I even did some product shots to see how good the macro looks. Sharp, beautiful. The video, amazing. Overall, this camera is nice, and it's just the regular version. It's not even a Pro. I don't even think you even need the Pro. This thing is amazing already. 120 hertz too. You're not even missing out on anything. If you have 120 hertz on a regular phone like this, then no need to really get the Pro. Let me know if you have a Google Pixel 10 or if you plan to get one, because I'm interested if I should make more videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. My name's Andy. See you later.